Welcome to Xciting Machines. In today's video, we're showcasing some of the coolest mini gadgets you'll want to buy. These tiny tech treasures may be small in size, but they deliver big when it comes to functionality, innovation, and style. From compact tools that make life easier to smart gadgets that blow your mind, we've handpicked the best of the best for you. Whether you're a gadget lover, tech enthusiast, or just curious about what's out there, you're going to love what we've got in store. So sit back, relax, and let's explore these awesome mini machines together. Number 1. Tiny Maker. Tiny Maker is a breakthrough innovation in the world of 3D printing, bringing the power of advanced fabrication into the palm of your hand. As one of the smallest functional 3D printers ever developed, Tiny Maker is designed to be ultra-portable without compromising print quality. It's ideal for hobbyists, designers, students, or anyone looking to create prototypes, models, or miniatures on the go. Despite its small size, Tiny Maker offers surprising precision and reliability. Its compact design makes it perfect for limited workspaces, and its user-friendly interface ensures even beginners can get started with ease. The device uses standard filament and supports multiple file formats, making it compatible with most popular 3D modeling software. One of its standout features is its plug-and-play capability. Just connect it to your laptop or power bank, and you're ready to print. It's not only affordable, but also energy efficient, consuming significantly less power compared to full-size 3D printers. This makes it an eco-friendly choice for small-scale printing tasks. Tiny Maker is more than just a printer. It's a creative companion. Whether you're making custom keychains, jewelry, minifigures, or engineering parts, Tiny Maker delivers professional results in a tiny package. It represents a leap forward in accessible technology, proving that big ideas can come from small machines. Number 2. M110 Label Maker. The M110 Label Maker is a compact, wireless label printer designed to bring efficiency and convenience to labeling tasks at home, in the office, or even on the go. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to carry, yet it packs powerful features that make it ideal for organizing, tagging, and customizing labels in seconds. Using Bluetooth connectivity, the M110 pairs seamlessly with your smartphone via a dedicated app, allowing you to create and print labels with text, barcodes, QR codes, images, and more. One of the standout features of the M110 Label Maker is its thermal printing technology. This means it doesn't require ink or toner, just thermal label paper, making it both cost-effective and low-maintenance. The app includes a wide range of templates, fonts, and symbols, making it perfect for labeling everything from product packaging and storage boxes to price tags, cables, and personal items. The M110 supports various label widths and offers smooth, high-resolution printing, ensuring that your labels are not only functional, but also neat and professional-looking. It's especially popular among small business owners, students, and home organizers. With its long-lasting battery and intuitive design, the M110 Label Maker stands out as a smart solution for quick, customizable, and reliable labeling wherever and whenever you need it. Number 3. Casio Ring Watch. The Casio Ring Watch is a bold step forward in wearable technology, combining the practicality of a traditional timepiece with the futuristic appeal of a smart ring. Designed to be worn on your finger like a stylish accessory, the Casio Ring Watch offers a compact yet functional way to keep track of time and more, all without the need for a bulky wristwatch. This tiny gadget is perfect for minimalists, tech enthusiasts, and fashion-forward individuals who value both convenience and elegance. Despite its small size, the Casio Ring Watch includes a digital display that shows the time, date, and even basic notifications when paired with your smartphone. The sleek, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, while the durable materials make it resistant to everyday wear and tear. Some models also come with water-resistant features, adding to their versatility. Casio, known for its innovation in watches, blends technology with fashion in this unique device. It's ideal for people constantly on the move, offering quick time checks with just a glance at your finger. Whether you're attending meetings, working out, or traveling, the Casio Ring Watch provides both style and functionality in an incredibly compact form. It's a conversation starter and a testament to how far wearable technology has come. Number 4. Minis Magnetic Speakers. Minis magnetic speakers are compact, portable audio devices that deliver surprisingly powerful sound despite their tiny size. Designed with convenience and versatility in mind, these speakers feature a unique magnetic base that allows them to stick to metal surfaces like fridges, bike frames, lockers, or any magnetic surface. This makes them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're hosting a mini party, biking through the city, or just enjoying music in your kitchen or workspace. What sets the Minis magnetic speakers apart is their excellent sound quality in such a small form factor. With clear treble, punchy bass, and 360-degree sound coverage, these speakers are built to impress. They connect via Bluetooth, allowing seamless pairing with smartphones, tablets, or laptops. Some models even offer stereo pairing. Connect two mini speakers together for an immersive surround sound experience. The speakers are powered by rechargeable batteries that offer hours of playback on a single charge, making them great for travel, camping, or day-to-day listening. Their sleek, minimalist design adds a touch of modern style, and they often come with touch-sensitive controls or simple buttons for volume and playback. Minis magnetic speakers are proof that big, bold sound can come from the smallest and most innovative gadgets. Number 5. Mini Pupper. Mini Pupper is a compact, open-source quadruped robot designed to make robotics, AI, and STEM education more accessible to students, hobbyists, and developers. Inspired by the Stanford Pupper Project and developed by Mangdang Technology, Mini Pupper brings advanced robotic capabilities into a small, affordable, and customizable package. Despite its palm-sized frame, it features 12 degrees of freedom, allowing for smooth, lifelike walking and dynamic movement. What makes Mini Pupper truly special is its compatibility with the Robot Operating System, ROS, and its support for simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, navigation, and computer vision. Powered by Raspberry Pi, it's expandable and versatile, making it ideal for experimenting with machine learning, real-time mapping, and autonomous behavior. Users can integrate it with generative AI tools like ChatGPT, allowing the robot to respond in natural language or execute commands in real time, bridging the gap between hardware and conversational AI. Mini Pupper supports OpenCV and other robotics frameworks, making it a rich platform for coding, testing, and innovation. Its magnetic personality isn't just metaphorical. Its design and animations give it a friendly, expressive character that appeals to both beginners and advanced users. Mini Pupper has been showcased at global events like ROSCon and Amazon Mars, reflecting its impact and popularity in the robotics community. With options for pre-assembled kits or DIY builds, it suits a variety of learning levels. Mini Pupper isn't just a robot, it's a fun educational companion that brings advanced robotics within reach, encouraging exploration and creativity in a hands-on, interactive way. Thanks for watching this video on Xciting Machines. We hope you enjoyed discovering these cool mini gadgets as much as we enjoyed putting them together for you. These tiny tools and tech items prove that great things really do come in small packages. If any of these gadgets caught your eye, let us know in the comments which one you'd love to try out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest and greatest inventions, tools, and machines we feature every week. We're always hunting for the most exciting and unique products the world has to offer, and we got a lot more coming your way. Thanks again for your support, and until next time, keep exploring the world of awesome gadgets with Xciting Machines.